let us discuss the safety issues associated with nuclear energy. According to the International Atomic Energy Agency, nuclear safety is defined as the achievement of proper operating conditions, prevention of accidents, protection of workers, the public and environment protection from undue radiation risk. Now, considering all the aspects of safety and to improve performance, the nuclear power industry has improved the safety and performance of reactors. However, a perfect safety cannot be guaranteed, and the release of harmful radiations during the production of nuclear energy may cause deformities in body as well as it may change genetic constitution. Let us discuss two nuclear disasters. First is Chernobyl, followed by Fukushima nuclear disaster. Chernobyl nuclear disaster occurred on 26 April 1986 in Ukraine, and it was the result of faulty nuclear design that was operated with inadequately trained person. The person or the team was not trained. The resulting steam explosion, after the explosion of a nuclear reactor, the resulting steam explosion and fires release at least 5% of the radioactive reactor core. It means that along with the steam and the fire, 5% radioactive substances, they are released and is scattered in the atmosphere and downwinds. The explosion and hot fires threw hot particles of radioactive isotopes like cesium, iodine and strontium and other radionuclides into the air. And the residents of the people living in the surrounding area observed the radioactive cloud on the night of the explosion. And this accident totally destroyed the unit number 4 of the Chernobyl reactor. The explosion and fire released large quantities of radioactive particles into the atmosphere, which spread over much of the western part of the USSR and Europe. And long-term effects such as cancer and deformities are still seen. Food and meat also were contaminated with the radioactive radiations. Next is Fukushima nuclear disaster. It was occurred on 11th March 2011 in the Pacific Ocean coast, that is in the southern part of the Japan. Major earthquake of magnitude, that is on the Richter scale, the intensity of the earthquake was 9, and then followed by 15 meters high tsunami disabled the power supply and cooling of 3 reactors, causing a nuclear accident. During this nuclear accident, that is earthquake followed by the tsunami, the piping facility and the power backup in the reactor were destroyed. There was leakage of radioactive material and steam was filled in the building, which caused dysfunction of the cooling system. And a lot of radioactive materials were scattered in the environment and caused great threat. So after the Fukushima disaster, lot of radioactive particles, they also scattered in the environment and they cause great lot of destruction